Welcome students in online lecture. In 11th Maths second student, we had started topic number 7, limits. In that we had seen what is meant by limit, definition of limit, what are the different types of limit, that is left hand limit and right hand limit. Also we had seen existence of limit, when the limit exists, and we had seen exercise 7.1. Student, today we will see what are the method of factorization of limits. Today we will start what are the methods of factorization. Methods of factorization. In this, we know what are the different factorization we had learned in earlier standard, in 8, 9 and 10 standard. How to factorize quadratic equation or any equation, how to factorize it. You know how to factorize, then you can easily find here method of factorization. Here only difference is there is limit. So only you apply the limit on that factorization. That is, you first factorize दिलेल्या एक्झाम्पलचे फॅक्टर काढून घ्यायचे and then we apply the limits. Okay, very easy it is also. You must know the factorization of all types of factorization, that is quadratic equation, quadratic trinomial or expansion formulae. How to know the factorization of expansion formulae? A plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. All these are the factorization formulae, you know, in the earlier standard. You use the formulae for factorization and then apply the limit. Here only difference is that we have to apply limit on that factorization. Okay, so we will see exercise 7.2. We will start exercise 7.2. See question first in this exercise 7.2. Evaluate the following limits. We have to evaluate the following limits. Limit z tends to 2, z square minus 5z plus 6 upon z square minus 4. Here you observe the limits. Here at the numerator it is quadratic trinomial. So we find the factors of this quadratic trinomial, and here it is in the form a square minus b square. So first we take factorization separate and then apply limit. Okay, or you may direct apply factorization. What is the factor of this? What is the factor of 6? Addition is 5. 3 2s are 6. Minus minus. Okay, therefore limit z tends to 2. Here we write as z square minus 3z minus 2z plus 6 upon, here we write as z square minus 2 square. So this changes as limit z tends to 2. Here take common, z common, z minus 3 minus 2 is common here, z minus 3 upon a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? Z plus 2, z minus 2. So here limit is limit z tends to 2, z minus 3, z minus 2 upon denominator as it is z plus 2, z minus 2. Z minus 2 get cancelled. Z minus 2 get cancelled. Therefore limit z tends to 2, z minus 3 upon z plus 2. Now we apply limit. Put the value of z as 2. 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. It is our last answer. Answer is minus 1 upon 4. Second example, limit x tends to minus 3, x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 3. Here at the denominator it is quadratic trinomial, so factorize it. x plus 3 upon, what is the factor of 3? 3 1s are 3 plus plus. I direct write here x plus 3, x plus 1. Here I directly write this. You may take 2 steps, write down 2 steps and then write, okay? Here x plus 3 get cancelled, is equal to limit x tends to minus 3, 1 upon x plus 1. So apply limit 1 upon value of x tends to minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 2, that is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, here answer is minus 1 upon 2. See the third example. Limit y tends to 0, 5y cube plus 8y square upon 3y raised to 4 minus 16y square. Here write first limit y tends to 0. Here at the numerator y is common there, y square is common, take y square common, then remains 5y plus 8 upon, at the denominator also y square is common, remains y square minus 16. 3y square minus 16, y square get cancelled, limit y tends to 0, 5y plus 8 upon 3y square minus 16. Okay, now observe here, as y tends to 0, denominator does not becomes 0. So you direct apply limit. Therefore 5 into 0 plus 8 upon 3 into 0 square minus 16 is equal to 0 plus 8 upon 3 into 0 minus 16 is equal to 8 upon minus 16 is equal to 8 1 side 8 2 16 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. See the fourth example. Limit x tends to minus 2, minus 2x minus 4 upon x cube plus 2x square. Here write limit first as limit x tends to minus 2. At the numerator there is 2 common, minus 2 take common, then remains x plus 2 upon, at the denominator, see at the denominator x square is common, remains x plus 2. So here x plus 2 get cancelled, limit x tends to minus 2 upon x square. So apply limit minus 2 upon minus 2 square minus 2 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is answer is minus 1 upon 2. This is our final answer. See the fifth example. Limit x tends to 3x square plus 2x minus 15 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Students, this is method of factorization. So we first make factors if possible and then apply limit. So it is very easy. Okay. Now here at the numerator and at the denominator there are both quadratic trinomial. So we make factor. First is minus 15 factor. That is subtraction is 2. 5 3s are plus minus. And 6 factor. 3 2s are minus minus. I here write the factors as limit x tends to 3. Factors of numerator are x plus 5, x minus 3. And factors of denominator are x minus 3 and x minus 2. You may add the 2 steps and then write these 2 solutions. Okay. So here x minus 3 get cancelled, remains limit x tends to 3, x plus 5 upon x minus 2. So if we apply direct limit, denominator does not become 0. So direct apply limit 3 plus 5 upon 3 minus 2 is equal to 8 upon 1 is equal to 8. So our final answer is 8. Okay, understand the first question. Now see second question. Evaluate the following limits. Here also we have to evaluate the limits using factors or the formula in last video we had seen. Limit u tends to 1 u raised to 4 minus 1 upon u cube minus 1. Here observe, in last video we had seen the formula limit x tends to a x square minus a square upon x minus a. So here if we divide both numerator and denominator by u minus 1, we get in the last format. So here first step we divide numerator and denominator by u minus 1. Okay, so what becomes limit u tends to 1 u raised to 4 minus 1 upon u minus 1 whole divided by u cube minus 1 upon u minus 1. Okay, now you separate the limit. What becomes limit u tends to 1 u raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4 upon u minus 1 whole divided by limit u tends to 1 u cube minus 1 cube upon u minus 1. So here what is the formula for this? What is the formula? Limit x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is equal to n into a raised to n minus 1. We use the formula, so answer is 1 into 1. Here n is, what is the value of n? Here value of n is 4. So here 4 into 1 raised to 4 minus 1 upon, at the denominator 3 into 1 raised to 3 minus 1. So answer is 4 into 1 cube upon 3 into 1 square, that is 4 upon 3. That is final answer is 4 upon 3. Now see the second example. Limit x tends to 3 1 upon x minus 3 minus 9x upon x cube minus 23. We further simplify here. Limit x tends to 3 1 upon x minus 3 as it is, 9x as it is. Here it is of the form x cube minus 3 cube. So what are the factors of this? X tends to 3 1 upon x minus 3 minus 9x upon, here it is of the form a cube minus b cube, x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. Here we use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b. Now limit x tends to 3. Take LCM here. What is the LCM here? X minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. Okay, here x minus 3 is already there, so here only term remains x square plus 3x plus 9 minus here 9x. Okay, limit x tends to 3 x square as it is 3x minus 9x becomes minus 6x plus 9 upon, at the denominator x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. So at the numerator it is quadratic trinomial. Do the factors of this quadratic trinomial. What is the factor of 9? 3 3s are 9, means here becomes limit x tends to 3 x minus 3 x minus 3 upon x minus 3 x square plus 3x plus 9. Okay, understand this step. Here at the numerator factors of this quadratic trinomial is x minus 3 x minus 3. X minus 3 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 3 x minus 3 upon x square plus 3x plus 9. Now you observe the denominator does not becomes 3 as x raised to 3. Therefore, you direct apply the limit. 3 minus 3 upon 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 9. What is the answer here? 0 upon 3 square 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9. That is 27 is equal to 0. 0 upon 27 is 0. See the third example. Limit x tends to 2. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x upon x square minus 1. First step, separate the limits. Limit x tends to 2. X cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Dividing by limit x tends to 2, x square minus 1. Here as x tends to 2, denominator does not becomes 0. So you direct apply the limit. 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 upon 2 square minus 1. So answer is 2 cube is 6 minus 2 raised to 2, 4 4 जा 16 plus 4 2 जा 8 upon 2 square 4 minus 1. So 6 2 जा 12, 14 minus 16. 14 minus 16 becomes here 2 2 जा 4, 4 4 जा 16 and 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 16, 0. 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. Final answer is 0. See the fourth example. Limit delta x tends to 0. X plus delta x bracket square minus 2 into bracket x plus delta x plus 1 minus bracket x square minus 2x plus 1 whole dividing by delta x. Here if we put the value of delta x as tends to 0, denominator becomes 0. So here we have to simplify this. So first step is limit delta x tends to 0. Make these factors a plus b bracket square, that is x square plus 2x delta x, 2x into delta x plus delta x bracket square. This is expansion of x plus delta x bracket square minus multiply by 2, 2x minus 2 into delta x plus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus x square plus 2x minus 1 whole dividing by delta x. Now further simplify. Limit delta x tends to 0. X square get cancelled. Now observe here delta x square. Here 2x delta x, 2 delta x here. 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. So here remains 2x delta x plus delta x bracket square minus 2 delta x plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled whole dividing by delta x. Now observe here from numerator there is common term. What is common term here? Delta x is common. So remains 2x plus delta x minus 2 upon delta x. Delta x get cancelled. Limit delta x tends to 0. 2x plus delta x minus 2. Now you apply direct limit. 2x as it is, delta x value 0 minus 2. So final answer is 2x minus 2. See fifth example. Limit x tends to root 2. X square plus x root 2 minus 4 upon x square minus 3x root 2 plus 4. So here we have to first factorize numerator and denominator. First we separate factorize this. X square plus root 2x minus 4. You first factorize this. Okay. What is the factorization of this? We have to factorize 4. Okay. 4 means we write as root 2 into root 2. And then 2 ones are 2. So its factor is x square plus 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 x minus 4. So x is common here, x plus 2 root 2, and here minus 1 is common. Here minus root 2 is common, so remains x minus 2 root 2. Why? See, because we can write 4 as 2 into 2. You had already learned in 10th standard of this type of factorization. So answer is x plus 2 root 2 and x minus root 2. This is factors of numerator. Similarly, calculate factors of denominator. What is denominator? X square minus 3 root 2x plus 4. We make factor of 4 as here root 2 is there, therefore we write as root 2. Then 2 1. See, 2 into root 2 becomes root 4 minus. So factors are x square minus 2 root 2x minus root 2x plus 4. Take common terms. Here common is x minus 2 root 2, and here minus root 2 is common, x minus 2 root 2. So what are the factors? X minus 2 root 2, x minus root 2. So students, first we take factors of numerator and denominator separately. Now apply the limit. Now see what is the limit. Limit x tends to root 2. Numerator factor is x plus 2 root 2, x minus root 2, whole dividing by denominator factor is x minus 2 root 2, x minus root 2. This get cancelled. Limit x tends to root 2, x plus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 root 2. Here you apply limit directly now. X root 2 plus 2 root 2 upon root 2 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 plus 2 root 2 means 1 root 2 plus 1 root 2, 3 root 2. And at the denominator 1 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is minus 1 root 2. This get cancelled. So final answer is minus 3. See the last example in question 2. Limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 7x plus 6 upon x cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. Here students observe at the numerator and denominator, it is not quadratic trinomial. Here degree is 3. So here as x tends to 2, the both numerator and denominator becomes zeros. Observe, if I put the value of x as 2 at the numerator becomes 0, because 8 plus 6 12 minus 4 14 minus 14 becomes 0, and also denominator becomes 0. So here x minus 2 is factor of both numerator and denominator. This is most important thing. Okay, so one factor we had got, x minus 2. We have to find another factor. You know, in 9th and 10th standard you had learned synthetic division method. Here first factor we had obtained x minus 2. So at the numerator, for numerator, see what is the numerator here. Numerator x cube, we write numerator in descending order, plus 0x square minus 7x plus 6. X minus 2 is factor, so we write here 2. You know this synthetic division, 1, 0, minus 7 and 6. We put 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 0 plus 2, 2. 2 twos are 4, minus 7 plus 4, minus 3. 3 twos are 6 plus minus minus 0. This is the remainder. Here this called as remainder. Okay. So numerator becomes, therefore numerator is what is the numerator? One factor is x minus 2 and another factor is this is, we write this as x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, these are the factors of this numerator. Similarly, calculate for denominator. What is the denominator here? Write in ascending order. Denominator write in ascending order. X cube minus 7x square plus 16x minus 12. So here 2 as write one factor, 1 minus 7, 16 and minus 2. We put 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, minus 7 plus 2, minus 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 10, becomes 6, 6 2s are 12, plus 12 minus 12 becomes 0. This is the remainder. Therefore, denominator we write denominator as x minus 2 into, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is dividend. Dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So we write it as x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, understand? You had already learned in 9th standard. So our limit becomes as, what limit becomes? Limit x tends to 2. What is now numerator? X minus 2, x square plus 2x minus 3 upon x minus 2, x square minus 5x plus 6. X minus 2 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 2, x square plus 2x minus 3 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Now apply limit directly. That is 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 upon 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 3 means 5 upon 2 square 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So here in this limit does not exist here. In this case, limit does not exist. Why? Because here denominator becomes 0. So limit does not exist. So student, we had completed question number 2 here. You solve question number 3 yourself. Try to solve question number 3 yourself. Okay.